ladies and gentlemen, welcome down to our weekly Zoom presentation. Today we are doing it on a very nice day at GMT plus 8 right now. This is Friday at 9 p.m. So to those of you from all around the world, I want to say very good morning, very good afternoon, very good evening, and hopefully you'll have a good night a little bit later. So ladies and gentlemen, today we are actually going to be talking about the PandoProject. And this project right here is a community-driven project. We have a very large active community across Telegram, across Twitter, across Facebook, across Instagram. We are on CoinMarketCap, we are on LBank, we are going to our second exchanger, which is Probit. We so far have quite a lot of successful reach. Now, what is it that exactly makes this project a project worth sitting down for a quick Zoom meeting for? Because this is a community project where we put the community's benefits first. And when I say the community's benefits, it doesn't just mean monetarily. What we also mean is in terms of developing a better future. This is an IT company. This is a community project that we have built where the technology in itself is powered by the community. So let's actually take a look at what this is all about. All right, so I'm just going to share some quick slides. Let me share this with you. Right. So welcome to the future with the Pando project. So in today's meeting, what we will be going through is exactly what this project is all about, this Pando project. Why has this become such a craze, even though we have not taken the step towards a global marketing, right? We have our first decentralized application that has already launched. It is available on iOS, it is available on Android, and the web version is coming out too. It's a live streaming application called Panajo. You can check it out, right? So we have already started. Our ecosystem has began, and we've got a very cool technology that I'm going to introduce to you. The reason why the Panda project is so different from every single other project out there. Let's take a look. Right. So this Panda project, right, is a community powered project where its technology is governed by the people. What I mean by that, the technology is held by the people, right? The Pando project consists of Pando network and Pando dApp. So the Pando network here is the blockchain technology, right, that powers the applications, which is the Pando dApps. So with the Pando network and the Pando dApps, that's how we have the Pando project. So what is the Pando network exactly? The Pando network here, well, it's three different softwares, right? The Ramatron, Metatron, and Zitatron. So the Panda network here, made up of the Ramatron, Metatron, and Zitatron nodes, is a decentralized technology powered by people. Very simple. It's just softwares held by people, blockchain softwares that people have. Uh, what does this software do? It stores, it transcodes, and it streams video files and data on the Panda dApps or other platforms. how how and why? So let me give you the why, right? Because at this very moment, the entire world is going through a very big issue, which is streaming issues, lag problems, right? Which is a global issue. It's a rising, skyrocketing issue. Why? Because our technology is increasing. We have the metaverse. We have, you know, 4K, 8K, 12K TVs. We are demanding for higher quality videos, but the infrastructure delivery network that YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, even Zoom is using a centralized delivery network, a CDN server, to deliver these streams to you. Now, what we are doing here with the Pando network, with these three softwares, the Ramatron, Metatron, and Zitatron, instead of it going through, let's just say, instead of it going through some sort of centralized delivery network, it goes through this decentralized technology, right? This decentralized technology, which is the Panda network, right? From the platform to the viewer. So if I want to watch a video on, let's just say, our first application, Panajo, that video will be delivered by the Ramatron in the Panda network. Now I've given you a very brief overview of what this exactly is, but let's try to take things, step by step together. All right. So where have we gone? So this is the Panda project, and these are our supporters, our country partners, right? So we are the Singaporean-based company. Our operations office is in Malaysia. We've got a developers office in Australia, USA, India, Singapore, right? So we've got a very big team of crypto enthusiasts, crypto experts, developers, blockchain experts, and live streaming developers, application developers, UI UX developers all around the world. And we have expanded all over South Korea, USA, Indonesia, India, Nepal, Brunei, Canada, Philippines, Brazil, Japan, Vietnam, Hong Kong, Thailand, Russia, Jordan, and it's all over the place. The Panda Project has a huge community, right? And of course, we've been all around like news stations and whatnot, like in Indonesia, in Thailand, in Malaysia, in Singapore. So we've gone quite a number of places. Now, let me share with you the reason why we are here today, because of our community members. And let me show you our community members, right? Panasoft Malaysia organized a very successful esports tournament on the 15th to 17th July, just recently in Kuantan, Malaysia, right? Um, this tournament was held to promote and increase the activity and engagement in our first Web3 decentralized application, Panajo. This is with our esports team, Pando EWG, with MT Shiro, Boss Shiro, and Boss IK, or Boss Izwan, rather. So we also have uh, a CSR presentation, right? Held in Bintulu, Sarawak on the 27th, just right about today, um, where they held a community training and development of connectivity, right, for Panda Project, right, which is organized by the Omni team, right? And there's a lot of things going on in Malaysia in order to solve last mile delivery problems, in order to introduce Web3 decentralized applications. And then this is a lot of activity that's happening in Malaysia. This is actually me in Sarawak, right? I was doing a talk in Kuching, Sarawak, and it was the coolest thing ever. I absolutely love Kuching, Sarawak. It was a blockchain conference, but everybody, it was just such a relaxed session, but it was so full of information and such a brilliant platform for us to connect with a lot of different projects and be able to reach out towards a bigger cause. Now this is Panolab, collaborating with SDGA and Cybertech, the MOU signing between Cybertech and our one of our very esteemed chiefs, which is Boss YB Kennedy, which essentially put this whole thing together. Very, very, very well respected man. Then there is the L Bank Exchange Training in Malaysia, held by Boss IK, Panelab, and Omni CSR project, which is a corporate social responsibility project. Because we are here to solve last mile delivery problems, and if you have our software which does that, you will generate an income for every time you're helping somebody stream, or helping somebody upload a video, or helping somebody go live. So imagine the opportunities that we can provide, for people that are less fortunate, just with such a technology that can solve lag and generate income and solve two very big problems. That's why we have gone into a CSR project, right, with Omni. And Panasonic Malaysia meeting regarding Panajo's activities, which of course led to the Kuantan esports competition, right? And then Panasonic India, this is us with the country partners. Panelab, we were having a core meeting with the leaders of India, between our chiefs, our CTO, our CEO, right? Came down and had a core meeting. Core meeting being, we had the core leaders, the core Metatrons, the leaders, the market movers, in order to strategize exactly how we can provide this opportunity for a lot of people in India, right? And then this is me promoting the Panda project and explaining it to two very, very, very important businessmen in India. And we met up with an actor, very well-known actor. His name is Sal Murugan in India. And then we were also filming up content for uh, India's marketing, social media marketing, that we are currently having, uh, go on very, very, very aggressively. So there's a lot of activities that's happening in Brunei as well. This is with Boss Eleanor, right? We've got so many beautiful people here in Brunei, and Brunei is such a huge, lovely community. We even had a little conference with them, right? With the Brunei country partners. These are all the Brunei country partners here. They actually gathered up a huge community of people, and we did a conference. We did several conferences across the stay in Brunei, in order to keep them updated in this in this development of this project of ours, right? So this is all of the most. This is one session of the conference that we were having with them. It was such a nice time that we had there. And Thailand is a pretty interesting thing, right? In Thailand, we had several activities. Let me just show you this. So this is us meeting up with the Thailand country partners, right? And PandoLab Thailand partners visit empty Summits Pando Farm. So Pando Farm essentially it's a room full of like um, supercomputers and servers that holds decentralized technology, the Ramatron. As you can see here in the background, this is actually the Ramatron technology right there at the back. So this person has about 300, 400 Ramatron nodes inside of that room, right? That he is just using in order to help provide better streaming for people in Thailand, right? Which of course face lag as well. And then they are also planning to build an office. This is what the HQ of Pando Soft Thailand will look like. And we had an interview session. We had a MOU signing with NBII, which is, if you Google it, it is very good development, very good platform. So we also had um, a discussion with the National Telecom of Thailand, which is absolutely crazy. This is how far we have gone together. And of course, in Indonesia, there's a lot of stuff happening in Indonesia. This is our CEO with Pak Yudi in Indonesia as the country partner, doing an official podcast to promote the future of the blockchain of the Panda project. And PandaLab and Indonesia country partners collaborate with youth empowerment institutions across their 149 branches, right? PandaLab and Indonesia country partners collaborate with youth empowerment institutions, to be more specific, and they had 149 branches. That is hundreds and thousands of people that are ready to come on board in Indonesia. And that's currently being worked out as we speak. So there's a lot of things that's happening, and this is the industry that we are in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I've just got one quick technical issue. Just 1 second. I'm just going to pause my camera real quick so that we can continue with the All right, ladies and gentlemen, I got that sorted out. So sorry if there was a background noise that was going on. There was just a little phone alarm letting me know that it's Ramatron time. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, this is the industries that we are actually penetrating into. This is the video streaming industry. It is 842 billion USD. We are decentralizing it. The live streaming industry, 247 billion USD. We are decentralizing it. Education industry, 277 billion. The video game industry, esports industry, job industry, film industry, advertising industry. This project that we have, we are decentralizing streaming, right? So because we are decentralizing streaming, the markets that we are tapping into is the video streaming market, the live streaming market where you can go live, the education market because of online education, video game market because all of that is happening online, esports industry, which is a very big and a very huge industry that's aggressively growing, the job industry, because everybody is doing job interviews online on Zoom, on Google Meet, on Microsoft Teams, right? The film industry and the advertising industry as well, right? So these are the industries that we are going into, that we are decentralizing, not because of the fact, not just because of the fact that we have this technology, but because we have 5 applications, right? We've got Panajo that has launched. We've got TutorX, which is an education application. We've got we have Show Us, which is a online job e-resume application where you can share your videos, your proposals, your resume, and all that, which is an online like TikTok type of thing. And then we've got PandoGo, and we've got Vixo, which is where we are gonna um, go into the entertainment, the live streaming, the metaverse. Right, we've got quite a lot of things that's happening, but this is the why. This is the why that we are doing. This is the what. And let me talk about how this is actually happening, right? So this is the problem that the world is facing. The reason why we have started this, right? The reason why we have gone into this industry, why we have chosen to decentralize streaming, right? So you see, lag disrupts learning, connecting, earning, and access to daily tools that are now deemed very necessary in our growing digital age. Like if I want to be able to sit down for a job interview, I gotta have Wi-Fi. I gotta have 4G. I gotta have good internet connection. I can't be disconnecting mid-interview. If I want to become a live streamer, I have to be able to make sure that I have good amount of internet connection in order for me to deliver good quality to my viewers, right? So lag is becoming a growing issue because of two reasons. The outdated delivery system, which is the CDN server I mentioned earlier, and the skyrocketing data needs, which is what I mentioned earlier as well. The skyrocketing data needs is because you see, we have gone into the metaverse. We are in, we've got NFTs that's going around. We demand 4K, 8K streaming. We are watching movies at the snap of our fingers. Everything is online, but the delivery system of delivering that data to you, delivering that video to you, delivering that message to you, that's not being updated, and that's why a majority of the world is suffering. That's why a majority of the world is going through connectivity issues, lag issues, and that gap is growing every single day. But this is how it's growing, right? A content creator will upload a video to the platform, right, to, let's just say, YouTube or Facebook or Twitch or Zoom, right? And that video, right, will be delivered by the CDN server to the viewer. Now this CDN server is centralized, and there's, let's just say, 1 million people that want to watch this person's video, and it's only going through one server, and that's crazy, right? So this is what we are doing. We're taking the centralized delivery network, and we have allowed anybody's computers, and anybody with a computer and Wi-Fi or a phone or a laptop, or anybody with access to a cloud server, to be able to join as part of the solution, right? So with your computer and Wi-Fi, you can join the Panda project by downloading our Ramatron software. The Ramatron software can help people go live, upload, and watch videos on the Panda project. And every time your computer helps somebody go live, upload videos, or watch videos, it generates our cryptocurrency, the PTX, as rewards. So let's just say a content creator uploads a video or goes live. It is the Ramatron, your computers, that help deliver that video from the content creator to the viewer. Instead of one centralized way, we have decentralized it. Right? We've got over 1 million Ramatrons, right? And this is going to be a very, very, very big thing. We're going to become a leader in this market of streaming. And streaming right now, if you take a look at it, it takes up 90% of our day. Where you're attending the Zoom meeting, that is video streaming. You wake up in the morning and you're looking at your WhatsApp or your Line or your Telegram messages, right? And you watch a video, that's video streaming. You're on YouTube, that's video streaming. You're watching Netflix, that's video streaming. You're on a WhatsApp video call, that's video streaming. So it's taken up 90% of our day, ladies and gentlemen. And this is how you can join, right? You can choose to join as a mobile version, which is 250 PTX Panda tokens. That's our cryptocurrency. Or you can choose Ramatron Lite with your computer and your Wi-Fi, 1000 PTX. Or you can choose to put it up on a server as Ramatron Pro, which is 10,000 PTX. Or you can choose to go for a Ramatron Enterprise, which is 35,000 PTX, right? So these are the options that we've made available in order for us to decentralize the entire video streaming market, empower the people, give them the power, profits, and the privacy back to the users, right? Because if we keep using the centralized delivery network, the content creators get paid less, the viewers don't get anything, you get poor streaming quality. But if you decentralize it, we cut the middleman. It's just direct between the platform to the viewer. That means the content creators earn more, The person that's delivering the video stream, that's holding the technology, earns as well for doing that job. The viewer enjoys seamless streaming. This is a world, this is a future that we are going to create with the Panda Project as we are moving forward towards a more decentralized era, right? A more digital world. We need to decentralize this. This is a growing problem. So these are the four ways you can join to be part of the solution, to enjoy the benefits of helping and being in the forefront of this technological change, of this technological development. You will be rewarded. You'll be part of this multi-million-dollar solution. So this is the Ramatrons. So right, let's take a look at the Ramatron mobile. It is available for iOS, Android, tablets, iPads. The mobile version does not do any transcoding work. It doesn't transcode videos. It has no storage system, but it can help people stream using IPFS, Interplanetary File System. IPFS is the technology that we use that makes this possible, using combining with our coding and our blockchain, right? And now, if you have a computer and a Wi-Fi and you have 1000 PTX, you can join using your desktop or your laptop. Transcoding is available for files below 500 megabytes, right? It has a storage system and it can stream using IPFS as well. Now, if you want to go for one of the big guns, which is the Aramatron Pro, this is a server version, so that means you get to put it up on the server. It transcodes for file sizes above 500 MB. It has a storage system and, of course, IPFS, and this is the biggest of them all, right? And the most rewarding. If you go for a Ramatron Enterprise, it does live streaming. It transcodes and gives live streaming, right? It transcodes, stores, and streams live streaming videos, which is crazy, right? It has a full-on storage system and of course uses IPFS technology, right? Now, anybody who wants to join as a Ramatron Enterprise, you have to put in a booking fee of 1,500 USD, and you need to have 30,000 PTX, right? That's all you need to do, right? And all you need to do is just email, marketing at pandolab.io, all right? Marketing at pandolab.io or finance at pandolab.io and inquire, okay? Now, live streaming, esports, e-auction, e-conferences, advertisement, online education, AI video recognition. This is all done with the Ramatron Enterprise. So I really do stress any of you who are really, really into this, be ahead of the crowd. Join as a Ramatron. Join as a Ramatron Mobile, Ramatron, laptop, Ramatron Pro, Ramatron Enterprise, right? But just for the Ramatron Enterprise, it is a very, very, very exclusive note. Only a fair few people will have it. Uh, Booking fee is 1,005. You can just email marketing at pandolab.io and for inquiries. All right. So how and where is all of this streaming going to be happening? Now we have the technology to decentralize streaming, but where is all of these videos? Who will be uploading the videos for my Ramatron Enterprise or my Ramatron Pro or my Ramatron Mobile or my Ramatron Lite to stream? Who am I helping go live? Where is this all happening? This the Ramatron nodes will be powering an entire ecosystem that includes an array of world-class decentralized applications developed on the Panda project. Now we've got 5 applications. PandaJo has launched on iOS and Android. TutorX is coming up next. Vixo, Showers, and Pandago. Showers and Pandago is next year. TutorX and Vixo is later on this year. Vixo is coming out in the fourth quarter. TutorX is coming out in the third quarter. So we have a lot of things. Now let's talk about PandaJo. You see, on other platforms, content creators generally they have to download an open broadcasting software in order for you to go live. But PandaJo here is an engaging online live streaming software where anybody and everybody can just click a button and go live and start becoming a live streamer anywhere, anytime with just a click of a button. And that is what you call live streaming reinvented. It's available on Google Play and App Store. Go check it out. Go test it out. Now we've got TutorX, the second application. TutorX serves as a one-stop education hub for anyone and everyone, especially teachers and students or people who want to hold master classes and teach like guitar or teach piano or teach how to cook or teach further maths, add maths or some a special topic in accounting. Anybody with the talent, right? You can organize a class, a master class. You can do training here in TutorX live, powered by blockchain technology, so you don't need to worry about last mile delivery problems. This platform helps provide better accessibility to education, online education, right? So people that were previously struggling with being able to even load up the Google page, they don't need to worry about it anymore because education is a God-given right, and we want to make sure that everybody has that opportunity to be educated anywhere in any corner of the world, whether you're from a rural area or from a remote part of the city where there's very bad Wi-Fi. Every student, every child, every human being deserves an opportunity in education, and thanks to blockchain tech, we can do that now. This allows teachers and students from all over the world to educate, learn, grow with the platform. You get to do online and examination, quiz, and assessments tools, multi-angle cameras for immersive learning, discussion forums, a platform for education, and master classes. Now, this is our third app, Bixo, that's launching this year. This is a ticketing, live streaming for concerts, concert ticketing application that also has messaging and an inbuilt wallet inside. So basically, it's like this. Let's just say our favorite artist wants to go live tonight at 9 p.m. and you are on the Vixo's chat box and you're saying, hey, you're telling your friend, hey, do you want to go and watch this person go live tonight and perform the best songs? The ticket is 100 PTX. Do you want to go? And your friend says, hey, I only have 50. And you go to your wallet and you send your friend an extra 50 PTX. So your friend has 100 PTX and he or she and yourself can attend this live streaming concert, right? And this is done in the metaverse, and the tickets are NFT tickets, right? It's pretty cool stuff. So this is a live show, a messaging application, and wallet as well, all in one app where you can chat and stay connected with your friends, send and receive PTX and Vixo, and it's a platform for local artists to showcase the potential. This is some pretty cool stuff, right? And the best part is this is the first time the messaging data is supported on blockchain tech, and that is thanks to the community and the Panda Project's development. Now let's look at Showers and PandaGo. Showers is an engaging video resume platform for people seeking employment partners or for you to share and show your talent to the world. That's coming out next year, along with PandaGo, which is an interactive streaming platform for movies, documentaries, dramas, comedies, and for video producers seeking viewers and engagement. Now we've got the next big thing. This is a surprise to all of you. We have our first ever, the first blockchain Web3 merchandise marketplace for marketeers, for people who want to sell products, for people with little online stores, with people who want to buy things, like people who love shopping online, people who love selling things online, people who have businesses, right? This is an e-commerce marketplace powered by Ramatrons. The Panda Store is a crypto-based, community-driven digital mall where anyone can start the e-commerce business, buy and sell with cryptocurrency. The PTX and USD are the cryptocurrencies of choice for users and merchants, right? So if a user buys an item with PTX without cryptocurrency as their form of payment, they will receive a better discount for utilizing our cryptocurrency. So take a look at our PTX, buy as much as PTX as you can today, because with where we are going, with the amount of apps and platforms and development that's ahead of us, the PTX is going to reach $1 next year. Ladies and gentlemen, stock up on your PTX, right? So our first exchanger is exactly where you can buy PTX in LBank. Visit https://lbank.site today to buy your PTX before it's too late. Don't make a Bitcoin mistake. Don't make an Ethereum mistake. And don't make another mistake in losing out in the next big thing. This is the next gen crypto. This is the future of streaming. This is going to be the people's token. This is the people's token. This is the community's project, right? And of course, we are listed in CoinMarketCap. Go and visit CoinMarketCap and go and comment. All the things that you've learned about in this presentation today. Go and visit CoinMarketCap. Search up on the Panda token. It's all there. There's a lot of comments there. Go and support the Panda token, because when people look for our project, they go to CoinMarketCap first. Only then they look at our Telegram, they look at our Instagram. Only then they make a decision in joining the project. So go and talk about your experiences in CoinMarketCap, right? With the Panda project. Share your experiences about this community project that's driven to give the power, profits, and privacy back to the people. The same thing you can do in CoinGecko.com. If you're going to do it in CoinMarketCap, you might as well do it in CoinGecko as well. That's another crypto dictionary that we're on. Now we have been tagged by Binance. You can do the same thing, right? Binance has supported us in our project, and that's a crazy, crazy thing. Binance is one of the biggest exchanges in the world. Now, we've also been tagged in Coinbase. That's another very big, the top five platforms: CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Binance, Coinbase. It can't be any more sweeter news, right? This is such a beautiful thing. We've come such a long way together, you and I, and I'm so glad that we're celebrating this. So go up to Coinbase, right, and search for PTX, the Panda token. Go up to Binance, search for Panda token. Go to CoinGecko, search for Panda token. Go to CoinMarketCap and search for the Panda token, and just copy and paste and just spam it and give all of your feedback and your love and your support towards the PTX. So when people stumble upon this project, people know exactly what we are in for, where we are going with this development, and what we're about to do to change the game. Because the Panda project here is a game changer, right? We are tagged in Binance and Coinbase. That means that our PTX has a bigger audience, and this means that our PTX is in the eyes and it is recognized by the leading exchanges, Coinbase and Binance, right? And of course, introducing our second exchanger, Probit, with 40 million users. Probit is going to list the PTX very, very, very soon. And you know what happens when a cryptocurrency is listed in a very big exchanger? The price goes up. So now is the time to buy your Ramatron Lite, your Ramatron Mobile, your Ramatron Pro, your Ramatron Enterprise. Stock up, buy, and hold PTX. You'll thank me for it later. And this is how you can join the movement with just two things: your computer and your Wi Fi. That's all you need, or even your mobile phone, right? That's all you need. So join the movement, support the Panda Project, support the future of streaming, support it for the future generation, and help solve lag issues, lag problems for people all around the world so that they can access online education, so that they can create a career with live streaming, so that they can sit down for their job interview, right? So that they can release that independent film on PandaGo, so that they can chase their dreams, right? In Vixo. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Panda Project. This is a community project, and we have come so far from 2017 all the way up to today. And we are so happy to announce that PandaJoe is officially on iOS and Android. Everybody, you guys can go test out the application. We're going to be introducing subscription, donations, advertising. We're going to be introducing gifting. We're going to be introducing subscriptions, right? And a lot more activities, esports tournaments held within PandaJoe. We're going to be introducing the web version for PandaJoe very, very soon. All of these stuff is being worked on. So if you want to join, just visit https://pandaproject.org. Check us out on our white paper. Check us out on GitHub. We are completely open source, and this is the movement for a better future in streaming. It's a fun, easy way, and if you need more assistance, feel free to drop a message in our Telegram group. Just go to Telegram and search Panda Project International, and there will be a lot of people that will help and support you in this journey. Or you can scan this QR code. I'll give you 10 seconds to scan this QR code and join our Telegram group. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have a PSA, right? Besides all this great news with the Pando store, with PandoJoe, with iOS and all of that, and our second exchanger, Probit, I need all of you to be very proactive in our social medias. Like, just search for Panda Project on Telegram, search for Panda Project on Instagram, Twitter, search for the Panda Project on Facebook. Make sure you guys comment. Make sure you guys share. Make sure you guys like, because these are the platforms, the social medias of the Panda Project is exactly where people take a look on, not just on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, right? Please make sure you guys be very active and be supportive with us all the way through. And that is all for me today. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. This has been such an awesome meeting, and I hope it has been very, very, very fruitful. We can actually take on the Q&A in the Telegram group. You guys can ask your questions there. There's a lot of people that will be willing, including me, to come and help and support and answer your questions or guide you towards joining the Panda Project. The Ramatron Enterprise is not going to be available for a very long time. So it's a limited opportunity. Go and get your Ramatron Enterprise. Go and book, get the booking fee and get your PTX, buy and hold, because there's a lot of things, a lot of developments is happening already as we speak. And that's all for me. My name is Prasad Navaratnam. I am the corporate communications manager of PandoLab, and it has been a pleasure having this meeting with you. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you guys next week. There's a lot of activities that will be happening right now because our management team is currently in Sarawak. They're doing a lot of stuff, a lot of promotion, a lot of development there. There'll be a lot of Pando activity updates as they'll be going on in the Telegram group, just to keep you guys updated with what we are doing currently. Thank you guys. See you and have a great evening, morning, afternoon ahead. Bye.